Question 1. What is called when variance with 2 times of metric? Options. This concept involves distributing network traffic across multiple paths, where each path has a different cost associated with it. This scenario would result in variance with 2 times of metric, one for each path's cost. So, the correct answer would be C. Unequal cost load balancing. Question 2. When a switch receives a frame for a known destination MAC address, how is the frame handled? Options. Correct answer is D. Sent to the port identified for the known MAC address. Question 3. An engineer is configuring switch SW1 to act as an NTP server when all upstream NTP server connectivity fails. Which configuration must be used? Options. Correct answer is B. Question 4. Which security program element involves installing badge readers on data center doors to allow workers to enter and exit based on their job roles? Options. Answer is D. Physical access control. Question 5. Which 2 outcomes are predictable behaviors for HSRP? Choose 2. Options. Answers are B and D. The 2 routers negotiate one router as the active router and the other as the standby router and share a virtual IP address that is used as the default gateway for devices on the LAN. Question 6. Refer to the exhibit. A new subnet with 60 hosts has been added to the network. Which subnet address should this network use to provide enough usable addresses while wasting the fewest addresses? Options. Answer is D. Total 64 hosts and 62 usable hosts are available in /26 subnets. It is enough usable addresses while wasting the fewest addresses. Question 7. What is the collapsed layer in collapsed core architectures? Options. The collapsed layer in collapsed core architectures typically refers to the merging of the core and distribution layers. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Core and distribution. Question 8. A network administrator must enable DHCP services between 2 sites. What must be configured for the router to pass DHCP discover messages onto the server? Options. To pass DHCP discover messages from one network segment to another, a DHCP relay agent must be configured on the router. This agent forwards DHCP requests and responses between DHCP clients and servers on different IP subnets. Therefore, the correct answer is A. A DHCP relay agent. Question 9. Refer to the exhibit. What is occurring on this switch? Options. Correct answer is A. Frames are dropped after 16 failed transmission attempts. In Ethernet networks, when a transmitting device detects a collision, it attempts to retransmit the frame after a random back-off period. If collisions persist and reach a threshold, usually 16 consecutive collisions, the device assumes that the line is experiencing excessive congestion or a serious problem, and it gives up, resulting in the frame being dropped. This situation is termed collision exceeded or sometimes collision threshold exceeded. Question 10. What is a characteristic of a SOHO network? Options. Correct answer is B. Enables multiple users to share a single broadband connection. SOHO networks are typically designed for small-scale use, such as in homes or small offices, and they often rely on a single broadband connection that is shared among multiple devices or users.